Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this video, we are going to increase the downloading speed of Google Chrome. We will be doing only two simple steps. The downloading speed and the overall performance will be enhanced of Google Chrome. Once you do that, please comment in the comment section because it will help others as well. And also hit the like button once it has worked for you. So let's get started. So open Google Chrome browser. And at the very top, we need to type Chrome, then colon, / flags. Now let me maximize it for you guys. Hit enter. And here in the search flags, we need to type parallel. Parallel downloading. Enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed, Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome, OS and Android. So it will work on your Mac, Windows 10, Windows 11. So here we have this default option. We just need to click on that and we need to click on enable. And we just need to click on relaunch. And once it is relaunched, at the top right corner where we have the three dots, just click on that and go to settings. And here we need to type background. Now the moment I type background, here we get this option, continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Please make sure that is turned off, because if you turn it on, it will use a lot of resources and make the computer slow as well as the Chrome. And also check if hardware acceleration is also turned on. So this should be turned off and this should be turned on. Once this is done, just close it and reopen it. And let me know in the comment section, and please leave a comment and hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.